What's up guys, my name is TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and today I've got another video for you regarding Minecraft server hosting. So, in one of my previous videos, I showed you how to set up a Minecraft 1.16 snapshot server. However, this video applies to all past and future versions of Minecraft servers. So inside of my server folder, I have run.bat, and the contents of it looks like this: Java xmx8g, xms, jar server.jar, node.gui, and pause. So, assuming that the last line isn't pause, if we run it, you'll see the black window pop up on our screen and vanish straight away. However, if we right-click edit, on the last line we add pause and save, run it again, you'll see that when we get an error, it doesn't immediately close. So, what exactly does this mean? Well, we can see what's going on. Invalid maximum heap size, xmx8g, the specified size exceeds the maximum representable size, could not create the Java virtual machine, a fatal exception has occurred and program will exit. Now, of course, your error may look slightly different, but as long as you see xmx somewhere in here, followed by the specified size exceeds the maximum representable size, this could also be xms, I think, then you're on the right page. If we open up Task Manager, you can see that I currently have 16 gigabytes, or well, 15.6 gigabytes on this virtual machine, meaning that there is more than enough for the server to run. Why can't it use 8 gigabytes of RAM to host the server when there's 13.5 available? Well, the answer is actually pretty simple. We have Java 32-bit installed. What does this mean? Well, if we edit the run.bat and change it from 8G to say 1G, and we go ahead and run the server again, you'll see that all of a sudden it starts to work. However, running the server with only 1 gigabyte of RAM is actually not the best thing to do. So I'll close out of it, I'll edit the .bat and set it back to 8 gigabytes. I'll close it, and then I'll go ahead and hit start and type in uninstall. After doing that, if you see uninstall a recent program under this quick access for control panel selected on the left hand side, then you can go ahead and click this. However, if you don't see uninstall a program here, click on Control Panel and click Uninstall a Program. Then what we're going to do is we're going to find Java, whatever version you have installed. For me, it's Java 8 Update 241. I'll double click on it and hit Yes. Yes for admin, and I'll wait for the uninstall to finish. Once it's done, running the .bat will result in Java not being recognized. Great, that means that Java is now fully uninstalled. Of course, if you have 1 or 2 Java installations there already, or possibly even more, you should go ahead and uninstall absolutely everyone. If you were to Google search for download Java, instead of clicking the link in the description down below, you may end up on a page like this and see a big red Java download button. However, clicking this big red Java download button may leave you with the 32-bit version instead of the 64-bit version. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit all Java downloads in the top left. After doing that, you'll see a page like this. This page is of course linked down in the description below. What we're going to do is we're going to look for Windows, followed by Windows Offline 64-bit. The online is supposed to pick between 32 and 64 automatically, although sometimes this may fail, and this is the one that's downloaded when you hit that big red download button. Windows Offline is the 32-bit version, and Windows Offline 64-bit is of course the 64-bit version. So I'm going to click on it and then click Run. We can do this because we've already uninstalled Java. I'll hit yes when prompted for admin, and then I can close out of my web browser. I'll hit install, and I'll wait for this to finish. Once it's done installing, you'll see this over here. We can hit close, open up our Minecraft server folder, and use our run.bat once again. As you can see, the server is starting up just fine. The text will pop up in a second. And if I go ahead and right-click run.bat, edit, you can see we're currently running it with 8 gigabytes of maximum RAM, meaning that the server will be able to run very well when it needs lots and lots of memory. And Java is taking up 3 gigabytes currently with absolutely nothing happening on the server. Anyways, that's about it. Hopefully this video helped you get rid of the error. If you're still having issues, make sure to leave a comment down below. Thank you all for watching. My name's been TechNubber here for Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.